Functions. So calculation can be done using formulas in Excel, but it can be tiresome. So we have got an entire library of functions or predefined formula. So functions are predefined formulas. Each function has a syntax, means that it has gotten specific values in a particular order it should be followed to perform different operations. Each function in Excel starts with an equal sign, has got a function name, has got a function argument. Equal, sum, you will open the parenthesis, you will give a range of cell which is known as function argument. A sum is known as function name, and it should begin with equal sign. Again you see, for example, equal count. If it is a non-adjacent cells, then example, equal count C5 till C10, comma, C16 till 620, C20, then comma, C29, then close the parenthesis, will count all the cell in the three arguments. Three arguments are there that are included in parenthesis. Go to Tech Help page 23. You can insert a function by using the insert function option on the formula tab in the function library group. Sum. It is a default option of auto sum feature. It adds a number in a given range of cell equals sum, a given range of cell, or argument should be there. Average, it calculates the average value in a given range of cell equal average, and then argument should be there. Count, I have given you the example. Max, it shows the highest value in a given range of cell equal max, then the parenthesis. It shows the lowest value in a given range of cell equal minimum, then in the parenthesis you will give the arguments. You have to try activity 5 at home. Using a function from the function library. To insert a function from the function library, follow the steps. Select the cell where the answer will appear. Click on the formula tab in the function library group. Select the function category from more functions. More function is there, you can see here. More function is there, you will select from here. Select the desired function from the drop down menu. Function argument dialog box appear. Check this cell range. You have to check the cell range. Step 4, you can see here. Check the cell range and then click OK. It will return you the largest value in a set of values. Ignores logical values and text. Since you are finding here maximum, then click OK. You have to click OK. You have to go through recap and evaluate, try the evaluations. Please check on page 23 how to insert date and time. You have to give equal, now, and the parenthesis. It will insert date and time for you.